Number 30, when you're asked to find the x-intercept, what do you set to 0? You set y is equal to 0. When you got to find the y-intercept, you set x equal to 0. So let's do that. So right here, the x-intercept, that means we're going to let y equal 0. So when I rewrite this, the y is now 0. And hopefully we can just solve that pretty quickly. Add 6 to both sides. That gives 6 over here and 3x over here. Then divide by the 3. So the 3's are gone, and we have x equals 2. There was that one. The y-intercept, that's when we let x equal 0. So that I'm going to replace the x with a 0. So that's y equals 3 times 0 minus 6. Well, 3 times 0 is 0, so that's y equals 0 minus 6, and that's it. That was the first ones. Over here, let y equal 0 for x-intercept. So 0 squared is equal to 16 minus 2x. All right, I'm going to go ahead and subtract 16 from both sides. So negative 16 equals negative 2x. Divide off the 2. So negative 2's all cancel out, and we have x equals positive 8. Okay, the next one, y-intercept let x equals 0. So we got y squared is equal to 16 minus 2 times 0. Well, 2 times 0 is 0, so now you got y squared is equal to 16. And square root both sides. The way you get rid of a square is square root both sides. So that gives us y, and the square root of 16 is plus and minus 4. It's positive and negative 4. Okay, this last one, let y equal 0. So 0 is 5x plus 9. Okay, now the way you undo a square root is with a square. So we're going to square both sides, and now that square cancels out the square root. 0 squared is still 0. So here we have 5x plus 9. Subtract 9 from both sides. So 0 minus 9, so that's negative 9 equals 5x. Divide off the 5. And there's that one. X equals negative 9/5. And the last one, let's let x equal 0. So we have y equals the square root of 5 times 0 plus 9. Well, 5 times 0 is still 0, so now we have 0 plus 9 inside there. And the square root of 9 is plus and minus 3.